Hi, I'm Tom Sparke. Welcome to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play a really fun drawing game you can play on your own or with family and friends. Follow me to the table. So for this game we're going to take random drawing cues. These are split up into three categories: a thing, which is usually an animal, a style, like a superhero or a spy, and a location, like at the zoo or under the sea. I've provided a link to the sheet of cues that I've used in the notes below this video, but you can make up your own too. Let's see what we've got. Dinosaur. Okay, let's start with that. You can take all the clues at the same time, but I think it's more fun to do them one at a time. Okay, I'm going to do a pretty big, scary dinosaur. Although my dinosaurs normally come out less scary and a bit more silly. So let's see what we've got with this guy. Yep, definitely pretty silly. Toenails. It's very important. So you never know what's going to come up in these, so you're going to keep your drawing relatively simple so you've got room to manoeuvre around the various other challenges that you're going to get. Okay, that'll do for now. Now we're going to draw the style. Rockstar! That's a fun one. They're all fun. You can make up your own ones of these, which are really awesome. So, punk rock hairstyle. He's going to maybe have a microphone too. Maybe some lightning bolts on him. That's pretty rock and roll. Musical notes. I should probably have an earring as well. A ring through there, why not? Another piercing there. He's a pretty cool rock star. Okay, what's next? Lastly, we need a location. Where is he? In space, obviously. The rockstar dinosaur in space. So around him, we're going to have some planets, some stars, another planet, some more stars, maybe a rocket, maybe another rocket coming over here. I know that if I saw a rockstar dinosaur in space, I might look a tad surprised. So let's have this guy looking like that there. There we go. Awesome. One example of this game. Obviously the possibilities are completely endless to this game, and it is a lot of fun as well. You can play this on your own. You can see how much fun that can be, or you can play with friends to get them to guess what your cues were and make up silly ones for them as well. I don't have a name for this game yet, so if you can think of a good one, please put it in the comments. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.